Good morning, Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you guys are so welcome. It's a vlog, as you might have guessed. We are going to Healthy Hair Studio. We're going to have yet another update, and I am so excited because at this stage now, I am literally just trying to control my hair. Literally. There is so much undergrowth. It's unbelievable. I am just so happy. The process has truly begun. So we're going to Healthy Hair Studio. Do we live? Do we love? I'm taking like my Dior, the one that has Fumi on it, that Ula bought for me 2-3 years ago.
The next station is Wind the gap between RAINE and Wind the gap between RAINE and
just like that, the sun is out. So excited, my darlings. How are you? 4 months left. September. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. September is in a matter of days. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. So we go 4 months of this year. Let's try and rock it and get it going. We're almost at the hair studio. I'm always excited. Oh my God. Oh. It's not fair. Every time when I am vlogging, I'm always against the light. It's as if it knows, let's not give Fumi the light. You can't dim my shine, babes. Yep. Self-care is important care. That's the way I look at it. You got to take care of yourself. I'm just a better mom. I'm a better wife. I'm a better friend. I'm a better person that way. So guys, we are here at the hair studio. I'm so excited. Look at ENITAN behind me. ENITAN, say hi to your fans. They live and love you. They live and love you.
Thank you.
I bumped into about 10 of them yesterday.
Wow.
No. They're serious. And if you see the progress of each...
Look, oh my goodness.
Look. I don't even use that dark hairspray, L'Oreal. I promise you, I don't use it anymore.
Wow.
I had to use the wax just to control it and bring it down.
You have been doing the work.
I'm so proud. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm gonna get my hair back.
You are.
I can't believe it. I'm so tickled pink. Guys, it's a gift from God. Alrighty, let's see what we got.
So at first glance, I see a lot of new growth. It wasn't this wavy before.
Nope.
You have a lot of new growth.
Yep.
I see hair. Hair. Which is good. The hair feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry.
Yes.
Which is good. So first glance, chef kisses. Tangle and see what your natural shedding, natural breakage looks like, and then we'll take it from there.
Are we happy?
Very. Yeah, you do the work for sure. It's always clear when someone has been doing their part, but you're doing it.
You know, my hair has responded very positively to the treatment. I saw it instantly, but I was like, Fumi, just relax, calm down, catch your breath. And it's so amazing. I just use the white tooth comb and I just try to hold it in. I wanted to ask you because it's getting difficult now because the undergrowth is really severe.
Very good question.
I want to plait my hair.
Yes.
Is that a good idea?
It is.
Okay, good.
So, the few things are going to happen as you're transitioning.
Yeah.
As a result of having more natural hair in terms of relaxer free.
Yes.
And on the other end, when you have your chemically processed ends, the point where the two textures come together is called the demarcation line.
Okay.
So as a result of the demarcation line, there's going to be lots of stress.
Yes.
on that, especially because you're doing a long transitioning. So you have two options. You have options where you do a long transitioning.
Yeah.
You decide you want to take bit by bit off each time.
Correct.
Or you want to see the length and just wait a while.
Yes.
Waiting a while means it's not going to start to mat.
Yes.
It's going to start to mat. It's going to stand tangle at the roots.
Yes.
So you can do cornrows.
Yes.
For your wigs, for your protective styling.
Yeah.
You can also stretch out the roots with a cool setting.
Yeah.
I've been doing. And you can do something where the roots, or rather your ends, mimic your roots in terms of giving you a bit of texture.
Correct.
Like curly hair.
Correct.
Like flexi rods.
Correct.
Sleeping with flexi rods, waking it up,
Yeah.
and having that look.
Yeah.
So yes, 100%.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do single braids, like 20 box braids.
Yes.
I think the box braids will be the most gentle on my hair.
Yes.
The cornrows will get too messy, too fast, and to just look unkempt. You know when you take a wig off, you look like you're bald. I'm not doing that. I'm just going to celebrate my blackness.
Okay,
so I am going to do all kinds of box braids. I found, guys, I didn't tell you.
Contact.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Anytime you are everything, I have to find a place to put this phone so that I can really be filming without the stress of carrying this thing. Girls, you have one?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. Anytime I called her because mom is in town, mom and dad are in town. I'm living my best life because they're helping me with age-train and everything. Grandparents are such a blessing. Mom wanted to get her hair done. And for me, Anytime is the hair queen. So she said for me, call so and so. And that lady, I called her on Sunday morning, like 10. Her name is Stella. I'm going to put her link below. And she said, yes, I can come. And you should have seen what she did to my mama's hair. And now she's going to be my hair girl while I'm transitioning and doing the treatment with ENITAN.
Yes.
I am telling you, I'm so blessed. I've been in London 10 years and I could never find a girl as flexible as Stella who can come to my house.
Yeah.
Thank you. Come to my house at no notice. No notice. She said, I'll come, no problem. And it's not because I'm a YouTuber. She didn't know who I was. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. She did not know who I was. And that for me is work ethic. That's somebody who is passionate about what they're doing. I said, you know what, sis? Take an Uber. I'll pay it. I just appreciated that and I Ubered her back. So for those of you that are in London, when I tell you I'm home, ENITAN is my hair queen encyclopedia and the hair is growing.
It's
Yes, my darling.
We're applying the Protein Defense as part of our heat protecting properties and steps for the blowout.
Thank you.
Alright. Well, when we're washing, minimum shedding, minimum breakage on your average, which is a very good sign towards healthier hair.
I'm just so tickled pink how this thing is cool.
And it's just early days as well.
It's just early days and it's so fast.
Early days.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is possible.
Yeah.
There's an alternative to just the weave. I can do the weave if I want, but I can also care for my hair.
Yeah, and that is where I'm at. Because now that you've told me, I'm going to have my hair in braids. I'm going to have it in
Yes, so this reminds me.
Okay, here we go. Yeah.
Make sure your sections are no smaller than your thumb.
I suspected, yep.
Make sure, although it's no smaller than your thumb, it doesn't mean the extensions added on has to be heavy to match that section.
Correct.
So you want it lightweight.
Thank you.
Otherwise, it's going to drag, it's going to pull, and it's going to create traction.
Yeah, and break.
And break off.
Yeah.
Then you have to still moisturize your hair while it's in the braids.
Okay.
So we'll talk about the moisturizing routine while it's in the braids.
Yeah.
To help. And do not leave it in for more than 4 weeks.
I knew that.
Max.
I knew that. Perfect.
And then when you take it out, we'll come back in and then we'll clarify to get rid of, because you know how when you do braids, how the
Yes,
stuff
they're clamped together. Fantastic.
They just said to put the
I suspected that because a lot of breakage is due to the fact that you leave it there for too long. It becomes matte and it becomes something else.
And the other reason why people feel like they have to leave for too long is because they feel like I paid X amount.
No.
As a result of paying X amount, I want to feel my money's worth.
Yes.
So let this braid stay in for 3 months.
No. No.
It's a really poor practice.
No. And that's what I like about Stella. She's reasonably priced. So I'm going to do the braids and take them out every month. And that is wonderful because I'm going to do all kinds of hairstyles.
Not back-to-back braids though. So
Okay.
when you're saying every month, you can't unravel it
And put them back in.
and put them back in.
Okay. So do it a month, take them out, give it a week.
Bit. A week is not enough time.
Give it 2 weeks. Or every
Let's
other month.
review.
Thank you.
Let's review and see. Let me get another one. This one is jam. Let's review. Because otherwise, when you start to do back-to-back braids, your strands will start to go really fine because of wear and tear. So think of a brand new carpet. When you walk over the same path of a brand new carpet again and again and again, that fiber will going down compared to the sides.
100%.
There will also be discoloration.
Constant traffic.
Yes, that's why you can't do back and by braids on strands that are already quite delicate. So we'll review. Let me get another one. I'll be back.
Okay. Did you hear that, girls? Okay. So what I'll do is that I'll just leave it for a month and then give it a break for a month and then do it again. So that it's gentle on the hair. Alright.
And make sure I'll send her a message as well to make sure that it's lightweight.
Lightweight, please.
Very lightweight.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you, my darling. Thank you. Just look at it here. Is this not flawless? Thank you. See, I'll be living, I'll be loving. I know you want to be here. I will take the fruit tea. Yes. Please do, please do. Thank you.
So when you've got the braids on, you still have to moisturize the most aged part of your hair,
Yes.
which is your ends.
Yes.
However, just use moisture hold.
Yeah.
Not Mighty Moisture, because Mighty Moisture is very creamy, it's a very rich textured product.
Yeah.
When you apply that on extensions, the bulk of that goes into the extensions and not within your hair. So
Yes.
it's a waste of product. So
Yes.
it's something that when you apply, it's thin and it
Yes.
quickly sips in.
So that would be the moisture hold.
That would be the moisture hold.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then my moisture also has the ability to moisturize, not just silk, because it has an ingredient in there that will do the two.
I love. For braids, guys.
Yes.
Coming here for about 6 weeks now, if not. Yeah, because of you. I found this place. I came purposely because of you.
What is your name?
It's Ade,
Hello, Adi, I'm so happy. Are you not happy?
lady that does my braids and stuff. And when I went there, she was like, "What am I doing to my hair?"
Oh, she noticed?
That whatever I'm doing, I should keep doing it.
My white nanny said, your hair is growing. And I said, that's everything.
But for me, it's the thickness. Like
Yep.
it's like when I put that deep moisture.
Oh my God. God is so good.
JL Healthy Hair Studio is despite of us, not just because of us.
Lovely to meet you, darling.
Likewise.
Fumination.
I'm now famous. I get to see her face.
Oh my God. Oh.
You taste bittersweet. I know you're concrete.
Guys, look at my hair. Healthy Hair Studio. Just look. This is the first time I actually bought a wig like this because I just thought my hair, I couldn't do it. I just thought I couldn't do it. And just look, washed, when I tell you, And she said, Fumi, just continue to do the process and you will have fabulous hair. This is my hair. Just look at the roots, look at it all grown in, look at the back, just look. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. I love it. Where's ENITAN? Let's say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my